In this video, let's understand the difference between watts and volts. Watt is the SI unit of power and volts is the SI unit of potential difference and EMF. Watt specifies the rate at which energy is transferred, whereas 1 volt is defined as the difference in electric potential across a wire when 1 ampere of current dissipates 1 watt of power across the wire. One formula for watts is W is equal to volts into current. One formula for volts is V is equal to potential energy divided by charge. Watts can be measured by using a power meter. Volts can be measured using a voltmeter. Watts gives a more realistic measurement for power. Volts describe a small portion of voltage from the power source. Taking reading of watts is difficult since it requires the quantities of both voltage and current. Taking readings of volts is very easy when compared to watts.